Hey guys, welcome back to the Pocket Yogi. In today's episode of the Pocket Fundamentals, we will be learning Marjarayasana and Bithilasana. You would know it more commonly as the cat-cow pose. An amazing warm-up for your spine. It massages your internal organs, stretches your abdomen and back, and helps relieve stress. So get on your mat, let's move into the cat-cow pose. Okay, we're going to begin with our hands and knees on the floor in a neutral tabletop position. Quick note, if you have knee issues or any knee injuries like I do, you can fold your mat or place a towel for some extra padding. So coming on all fours. Spread your fingers nice and wide, fingers pointing to the top of the mat. Keep your knees hip-width apart and directly under your hips and your wrists under your shoulders. Make sure your back is flat with a neutral spine and your abs slightly engaged. If you're noticing yourself tilting your back a bit like this, draw your navel up towards the spine and straighten out your back as if you can keep stuff on it without it toppling over. Anyway, make sure you're pressing through the top of your feet, pressing through your hands, keep your head in a neutral position and your gaze downward or forward, wherever feels natural to you. Let's just stay here for a moment and get comfortable taking deep breaths in this posture. This way, we're already doing some groundwork before we get into a cat-cow and not just slumping on all fours on the mat. Okay, moving into the cow pose. Inhale, drop your belly towards the mat, raise your chest, lift your chin and your tailbone and look forward. Continue to press against the mat, drawing your shoulders away from your ears so your neck is not crunched. If it helps, you can also say moo. Then as you exhale, tuck your tailbone in, round your spine up towards the ceiling and bring your head down. Let your head just hang here and drop your chin to the chest. You don't have to force the chin to the chest, do whatever feels natural and comfortable to you. Let's do a few rounds here. Inhale. Scoop your shoulders away from your ears, curve your back inwards, bringing your heart forward. Exhale, press onto your palms, curve your back towards the ceiling, release the crown of your head to the floor. Again, don't force the chin to the chest. Remember, this is an awareness-filled practice, so you're not just slumped and doing the cat-cow. Inhale, scoop, bring your heart forward, arch your back. Exhale, start the curving movement from your tailbone and journey up towards your neck. Inhale, the cow pose. Arch your back, heart forward, gaze forward or up. Exhale, imagine you're pulling your belly button up towards your spine, like a cat who just got surprised. Really engage your abs to round your spine here. Inhale, scoop your shoulders, neck relaxed, arch your back and gaze up. Exhale, curving from the tailbone up, release the crown of head to the mat. Inhale, arch your back from the tailbone up, cow pose. Exhale, round your back, chin to the chest, cat pose. This pose really helps in warming up the spine after you wake up super stiff in the morning or as a precursor to your regular practice. Make sure you're connecting the breath with the movement. You're inhaling as you arch your back for the cow pose and you're exhaling as you round your back for the cat pose. Really imagine your breath moving up and down the spine as you breathe in and out during the cat-cow pose. If you've been sitting on your desk or in one place for too long, you don't have to get on all fours. You can be sitting on your chair or in a comfortable position and do the modified cat-cow by raising your hands and curving your spine forward with an inhalation or backward with an exhalation. Essentially, we're doing the seated cat-cow with the same benefits. So that was the cat-cow pose. So good for the spine. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Drop any comments or questions in the comment section below. I'll see you soon. Bye.